know you can make cool cash with your Android phone by performing small tasks? Yeah, then this video is for you, because in this video I'll be showing you different things you need to do for you to make cool cash from this website. I've already filmed a video on this before, but in this video I'll be revealing details about it. Meanwhile, welcome to my channel. It's me, Jafego Okureko, popularly known as Fesky. In this channel I share valuable content about mini importation, how to make money online, and a lot of business ideas. So if this resonates with you, do not hesitate to smash the red subscribe button down below and turn on your notification bell icon so you get notified each time I drop new videos. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back, and this is why I love you and I go extra mile to create beautiful content just for you. All right, so today's video I've shared how to make 5,000 naira daily from this website before. I'll drop the link up here, somewhere here, or in the description box so you can go watch it. All right, so today I will be showing you how much I made from this website so far, and also my current balance, and then how you can perform this small task, because I get DMs here and there, I receive DMs here and there that they don't know how to perform this task. How are they going to do it so that they can get money out of it? So I will be showing you that here in this video, and also the trick I use for me to make more money from this website. All this I'll be revealing to you in the course of this video, so stick around. Let me show you. First of all, this is my transaction so far. Okay, I hope you can see the screen. This is my transaction so far. Look at the day I started. All right, March 10th 2002, this year, March 10th. All right, this is the day I started. And as soon as you register, okay, they will give you a cashback bonus of 115 naira. Okay, and the registration is just 1,000 naira. Now look at what I did though, just 1,000 naira, to show you that this website is real. Okay, no fraud or whatsoever, because I've received money. We'll do it together here, you'll see it. Okay, so they will give you a cashback of 115 naira. Meanwhile, I will drop the link in the description box. Just click on the description box, you will see the link for you to register, okay, on this website. Then after registration you get your cash back. You can see some of the transactions I've made. Okay, then the very first time I made back my 1,000 naira I used for registration, boy, I had to withdraw it. I had to secure that 1,000 naira first, because I want to test if this website is legit. But it's legit. Okay, so I withdrew and secured my 1,000 naira for registration back, an extra 400 naira I have made. All right, so this is the transaction. All right, 1,411 naira. So I withdrew that first. So I've gotten back my 1,000 naira for registration, then extra 400 naira plus. Now see, look at the transactions I've made. That is money I have withdrawn from this website so far. Like I said, I'm going to tell you how much I have made from this website so far. So you can see the transactions, different dates I withdrew money. I withdrew 1,004, I withdrew 6,000 plus, 5,000 plus, just like that. Just withdraw the money like that. Okay, now how come I was able to get this money? There are a lot of persons, they'll be like, they are not getting much, because when you perform this task, the task they give to you is either you post something on your WhatsApp, they'll give you a picture to post on your WhatsApp, all right, or perhaps you go like a page on Facebook, or follow somebody on Instagram, or follow somebody on Facebook. These are the tasks they give to you. Or sometimes they'll tell you to subscribe to a particular YouTube channel. All right, so these are the tasks you do, you perform, and then you get paid. Most of these tasks you do, they just give you, for the one of WhatsApp, when you post on your WhatsApp, it's 20 naira. Then to like pages is 3 naira. To follow somebody is 5 naira. So this won't really add up. All right, so the thing that will add up for you to get your money back, or for you to get more money, is referrals. Yes, and that's what I did. Referrals made me to get this amount of money, and I was able to withdraw all this money. Okay, so referrals, your referral link is there. When you refer people, just tell people about the sites. When they use your referral link to sign up, and then they register with that 1,000 naira, you get 500 naira. Imagine, So it's 50-50. You get 500 naira. Along with this small task you perform, you get 20 naira, 5 naira, and all that. But referrals pays big. Okay, referrals pays big, and that's what I did to get more money. Now let's move over. Look at the amount I've withdrawn so far. Here's the amount I've withdrawn so far. Amount spent 34,725 naira just from this website. By performing little tasks, and like I told you, referrals pays more. Okay, so you can do this and make up to this amount I withdrew from this website. It's very legit. The website is HAWKIT.NG. all right, I'll leave a link in the description box so you can go register with my link. Okay, from this task that was given to me, I hope you can change the color. Pending task. Okay, what we'll do now is that was given to us. Now here is the task. Post on WhatsApp status. When you do this, you will earn 20 naira per this status post. So the next thing to do is to click on do now. All right, do now. We'll click on that. Now here is the instruction. If you don't know how to do it, you can simply play this short video tutorial to learn how to do this task properly without failing the task and losing your money. So you can watch that. All right, so the next thing to do is to click on this link that was given to us, visit link. We'll click on it. As soon as you visit, just open once with your Chrome browser. It will just download automatically. Most times this WhatsApp post is just pictures. Okay, have more, do more, be more. So this is the stuff we have to post on our WhatsApp. This is the picture. All right, so we'll go over to our WhatsApp. It's already downloaded to our phone. We'll go over to our WhatsApp. All right, and then we'll click on this camera icon, and then you click on this camera icon, and here it is. All right, and you click on enter. So we're sending this. It's descending. Has been uploaded. So what we do now, we'll screenshot this. Make sure that your profile picture shows here. Okay, so we'll screenshot and then we'll go upload on the HAWKIT. We'll go back to the HAWKIT. Okay, you click on this camera icon part, click to upload. So we'll click on it and then we'll upload the status showing that we've already posted it. Okay, then enter the name or username of your social media account that used to perform this task. If this is a WhatsApp task, simply enter your phone number. For other tasks, you can enter just your full name. So this post on WhatsApp status, so it's to enter our phone number we used in posting it. Okay, once that is done, you upload. That's it. See this part. Thank you for performing this task. We are currently verifying that you have done what you have done. Your money is currently pending until the task you have performed is confirmed and approved. The funds will be available in your main wallet for withdrawal within 24 hours. Okay, so hope you can see this. So we'll go back to our home page. So it's as simple as that. That's how to perform the task given to you on HAWKIT. All right, so now here is our balance. Let's withdraw together. Here is the balance we have, so let's withdraw together. What you do, you click on withdraw. Okay, let me explain this other part to you first. This part that says fund is when it's like keeping money on the website to buy any item. They sell things online. Okay, as you can see, you see people's products. All right, so it's for you to fund it, leave the money there. Whenever you want to buy anything online, you just use that money you funded on your account to buy anything online. All right, so now this withdrawal is to withdraw the cash that you've made. So now let's withdraw together. I'll click on withdraw. Now take note of these parts. The maximum withdrawal amount I can withdraw is 1,367 naira. The reason is a transfer charge will be deducted from my account. Okay, so that's the amount you can withdraw. So let's enter the amount, 1,367 naira. All right, 1,367 naira. That's what we want to withdraw. Then we enter our password. We paste the password and we'll click on withdraw. We'll click here, withdraw. A 2-factor code was sent to my email, so we'll go check it out, copy it and drop here. All right, here we'll go, we'll copy it and click on continue. Hope you can see. Let's go back. You see this part? Oops. Here. Your withdrawal transaction is successful. The money will arrive into your provided bank account within 24 hours. Thank you for choosing HAWKIT. Okay, so within 24 hours, I'm going to receive the money I withdrew from my account. All right, let's go back to our home page and see. See now it's 0 naira because I withdrew everything. All right, so this is how to make use of your HAWKIT.